morning everyone, I am very excited. My Youngliving Essential Rewards order has just arrived in and I was about to open it and then I thought, no, hold on a minute, I'm meant to be showing you guys what I got if you're interested. It's been a wee while since I've done one of these. I've still been getting my monthly orders. They haven't been quite as big because I'm starting to get my collection built up quite a bit now. So I've got my latte this morning, so why don't you grab one too and let's dive into the box because I can't actually remember now what I got. It sort of came and it's been a wee while since I did the order, and then we've had Christmas and New Year and everything, and I'm like, what did I put on the order? Because I did the order, I set it up. Usually once I've received my order, then I start setting up my next order because you can go in and change them and I just save them. And then this one sort of closed off a little bit before I had a chance to go back. So I don't actually remember what I ordered. So fingers crossed I knew what I was doing at the time and I wasn't just saving things for the sake of it. So we've got the box. Let's get into it and see what is in here. Paperwork, I'm not going to look at that because I like the surprise. I don't know about you guys. Oh, okay. So I forgot I ordered another diffuser. How many diffusers does one need? Apparently another one. So this one here is the Desert Mist. And I wanted another one because the two that I've got, one is the one that came with my starter kit. The other one is what I've got out in the kitchen, but we've got open plan living, and so sometimes I feel it's just one is not quite enough. I'd like to have one in the office, one in the bedroom. I really like them going on the weekends when I'm home alone and I'm doing the housework because I find it's uplifting, it makes the house smell clean. I just really like the environment that it creates, and then sometimes I'll put more relaxing ones on during the week. Things like lavender and more planty tree type ones because they're quite relaxing in the evening before bedtime, so you don't want to have the really uplifting ones at night time because you're supposed to be winding down. So I just felt like I needed another one, and I bought this one for my mum for Christmas last year. What I really liked about this one is that it goes for 8 hours, I think, whereas my other ones only go for 3 hours at a time or 4 hours at a time. This one has come from the Australian depot, not the American depot, so when I was previously buying them from America I had to go and buy a plug adapter. So I'm not sure what sort of plug this one's going to have, so let's have a wee look. Ooh. Think. Yes, it comes with a New Zealand PowerPoint adapter. Woo! So I don't need to get adapters for it because otherwise every time you want to move them around the house you've got to unplug everything and move the adapters around as well. So, right, let's have a look at the actual diffuser. So this is what it looks like. It's designed to look like a beautiful vase and it has the Moroccan sort of design to it. It actually runs for 10 hours and it has 10 different LED colours that you can choose from, and it also has a candlelight flicker one which I thought would just be beautiful in the evening. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this one going and start diffusing some more beautiful oils in my house. There are 2 tubes. I love the way they come packaged to protect them. It's such a clever way of doing it. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so I got humility. Humility is for, let me just have a quick look on the website. It says here, true humility is the foundation of emotional strength. Humility is a blend of pure essential oil scents that promotes deeper spiritual awareness. So in it, it has coriander, ylang ylang, bergamot, geranium, melissa, frankincense, myrrh, northern lights black spruce, bitter orange and rose. So let's have a quick sniff and see what this one smells like. Yeah, I really like that. It's quite delicate. Really nice. Really looking forward to trying that one. I think that would be really nice in my office actually. Let's see what else we got here. So I've got lavender. So lavender is one that I use every single night. I put a drop on the back of my hand and then I put it on the back of my neck under my hair, and then I just rub a little bit onto my wrists as well, and it just helps promote a really good sleep. So lavender is amazing, and it's also the one that I will put in the diffuser sometimes in the lounge as well. After a busy day, it just really, it not only makes your room smell really nice, but it just helps you to unwind and relax. So those are what I use lavender for. So I go through quite a few of those. And I've got a small lavender as well. So let me just put that one to one side. Envision. This is what it looks like. It's a little 5ml bottle. Let's just have a quick look and see what they say about Envision. Oh, this is definitely me. Envision creates scents that stimulate feelings of creativity and resourcefulness, encouraging renewed faith in the future and strength necessary to achieve your dreams. What a cool oil for the start of the year. Wish I had that a couple of weeks ago. And in it is black spruce, geranium, orange, lavender, sage and rose. Let's have a sniff of this one. It is much brighter, like, it's very hard to describe these. It's very, very pleasant, very, I can definitely tell it's got the herbal parts of the sage in there, but it's softened with the floral side of it. So I'm really going to like that one in the office as well. So the next one is lemon, and a little lemon. So I think the lemon and the lavender, the little bottles, come free with the diffuser. So last time I think I got peppermint and tangerine with my diffuser, so I'm pretty sure those two will be free because I wouldn't have ordered those sizes. And then last one is tangerine. So this is what the tangerine one looks like. I love tangerine. It's a bit sweeter than orange, and what I only had a little 5ml bottle, so I'm really excited to get the bigger 15ml bottle, because what I like to do is actually put a drop of this in my coffee. So in the weekends when I make a latte coffee with, we've got an espresso machine, I always put 1 drop of tangerine in it and then mix that into my coffee, and it just, oh, there's something about orange and coffee together, or tangerine and coffee, and I'm sure orange would do the same thing, but I just really like the tangerine one. So I've become a little bit addicted to doing that with my coffee in the weekends. So I had run out, so very excited to get a big bottle. So there you go, guys, that's my essential rewards for Young Living oils this month. Really looking forward to learning a little bit about those too. I want to get back on track with doing my maybe 1 oil a week, because I've got a whole lot that I have ordered and sniffed, and I haven't even got round to discovering the best uses for them yet. So if you would love to share the journey with me on discovering some of these oils, and you're a fan of essential oils yourself, then please do make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I'd love to share the journey with you. And by all means, feel free to comment, give me ideas on oils, how to use some of these. Do you have them? I'd love to know, because when we all get together and talk and chat amongst ourselves, that's where you get the best tips and ideas. So thank you so much. Until next week, I look forward to seeing you again in my next videos, and I'll talk to you then. Thanks guys, bye. Okay, so I just really wanted to quickly show you, here it is all set up. I don't think it's going to stay here, but that was where I had a PowerPoint plug at the moment. So I've got it on the candle setting, so you can see there, I don't know how well it's being picked up, but it's flickering like a candlelight would. And then there's a whole lot of different settings. Just reach around. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, pinky purple, off, white, which is quite nice, quite like the white, half strength, and back to candlelight. So I'm going to leave that there and make my house smell really beautiful. I just wanted to quickly show you what it looked like.